Hello guys, and today we're going to cover the monitor function in COLIGO. So we're going to go ahead and click on monitor. By this time we have already added our variables and collected them, created our connection and collected the variables. So when we click on add chart here, we're going to have this small pop-up window that's going to have on the top left corner for different display types or choices. The first one is line, bar, gauge, and digit. So for line, I can add a title, I can control the refresh rate, the time range, and the aggregation, the chart size as well. And I'm gonna be selecting one or a max of two variables for this type of display. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with humidity and power consumption and name it just test1 line. And I'm going to set the refresh rate to 5 seconds, the time range for, it can be 5 minutes. So, and aggregation to 5 seconds, just for the sake of the tutorial, so we don't have to wait too long. And we go here and click on edit mode. Here we can add multiple charts. And I would go with bar. So bar 1. So with bar, it's the same thing as line, basically. It has the same parameters, which are refresh rate, time range, and aggregation. And let me just set these here real quick. And aggregation to 5 seconds. Okay, exactly. So here I can also select one or two variables max. So I'm going to go with power consumption and temperature. Save. So this is how the bar is going to look like. This is how my line looks like. And now I have also the gauge, which only displays one variable. And I can only control the parameters of refresh rate and the minimum and maximum value, the intervals. So I'm going to set the refresh rate to 5 seconds. My intervals are from 50 to 150, for example. And gonna go ahead and select the temperature. So this is my gauge. As you can see, it moves up and down as the variable changes. And this is the last one, which is a very primary type of display, just a digit, a normal digit. And it also has only refresh rate. So here set to 5 seconds and we'll go with humidity, save. And as you can see here, we only have a very typical digit that displays our variable here. And that's it for the monitor. Thank you for watching.